Welcome to this technical guide on the Dysoon HS01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dysoon HS01 is making unusual noises and losing power, it's likely that the motor is on its way out. This can happen due to wear and tear or a build-up of debris inside the motor itself. If left unchecked, this issue can lead to more severe damage, resulting in a complete breakdown of your device. So, let's get started on the repair. For this task, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, some tweezers, and a replacement motor for your Dysoon HS01. First, ensure your device is unplugged and turned off. Begin by carefully removing the screws located on the back panel of the Dysoon HS01 using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws safe as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel with a flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, locate the motor. It's typically found towards the center of the device and is connected to the power supply. Look for any visible signs of damage or debris around the motor. To remove it, you'll need to disconnect the cables first. Gently pull the connectors off the motor using your tweezers, ensuring you don't damage any surrounding components. Now, remove the screws securing the motor in place. Be mindful of the type of screws, they are usually small, so apply gentle pressure as you unscrew them. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the motor out of its housing. Take your replacement motor and position it in the same spot as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, being cautious not to over-tighten them. Reconnect the cables to the new motor, ensuring a snug fit. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, place the back panel back onto the device and secure it with the screws. Double-check that everything is properly connected before turning your Dysoon HS01 back on. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean your device and keep it free of dust and debris. Additionally, avoid overloading the motor by using it within its recommended limits. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.